Hello everybody and welcome to Projekt X. In this video I will show you how to install the electric on this nice MoonShine 6-string guitar. Come on, let's do it, rock and roll. Okay everybody, the next step is not drill the hole for the toggle switch or drill the hole for the pickup cable. No, the next step is very difficult for me. The next step is put the MoonShine sign on this cover. This sign in this size on this cover. And this will I do it right here, right now. Let's go. Okay, I have my color, in this case one shot, and my favorite brush, a Coffe, and my thinner, and now I paint the MoonShine sign on this cover for the pickup. Let's go.
Got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? I got a letter this morning, how you reckon it read? It said, hurry, hurry, the girl you love is dead.
I have painted the pickups right here. Nice, very nice. Hard work for me. And glue it together with hot glue. And in the next step I will drill the holes for the toggle switch on this position right here. And the holes for the screws for the pickups and the cable. So let's do it.
Grabbed on my suitcase and I took off down the road. I grabbed on my suitcase and I took off down the road.
And I have very nice screws
when I got
for the pickups.
She was laying on a cool
I like the screws. This one. I hope you can see it.
You know, I walked up close.
This one.
I looked down into her face.
The right position.
I walked up
Find
close.
the right position.
I looked down into her face. Good old girl, I'll see you in Judgment Day. People standing around the buried ground. Look like 10,000 people standing around the buried ground. You know, I didn't know I loved her.
Very nice.
Till they began to let her down. Tell them don't know.
Okay. And now we can no. The next step is find the position for this pickup.
You know, I walked up close, I slowly walked away. Fold on my arms,
here.
slowly walked away.
Here. No,
I said, good old girl, I'm gonna
position.
see you on Judgment Day.
on this position the neck pickup. Now these are my volume and tone knobs.
Lonesome blues got me, drove my spirit away.
Okay, I will check 8.2. 8.2. Right.
There is a man from Switzerland, and his name is Nino. He goes out and he has a lot of friends. Yes, he is a party hero. Yes, he is a party hero. He's a good guy. And where he belongs, and good as no.
Okay, here we go. I have put the electric in the guitar. I used the electric standard components. For the volume I have 500k pots here, and for the tone I have 250k pots there. Okay, and I have make a plan for the electric. I show you right here, and make a link in the description. Pop up the description open, and you can see the link for the electric. Okay, next to do is finished up the volume and tone knobs right here and here. Yeah, I do this with a screw for fix it. I must cut the screws, drill the holes, and so on. And we must make the cover for the back side. So, and that's will I do right here, right now. Come on.
I sneak with my family through the wilderness. My short picture is no longer lit. My beloved wife and my children behind me. I look back and forth, I protect my family.
Wow. Hot. Fuck. Hot. Man. So, I have made the screws. And now, take a look here. Wrong side. Look at this. Now, man, wrong size, wrong side. This one, man. Take a look right now. Look right.
Running away from the people. People kill every day. They kill for fun, for money or hate. But we kill just to hate. That's all.
Okay. Very nice, cool. But this screw is too long. I must cut it again. It is not nice. So I have cut the screw once again. I don't know. And the last one, finish it now. But it's very difficult. Okay, right now. Yes, very nice. Very nice. Okay, and now I have a great idea for the pickups. The screws, I will use some springs for up and down the right position for the pickups. And now the screws are all off, and the springs under the pickups right now. Okay, the covers are done, 1, 2, and now we put it on the guitar, and then I finish right now. This beautiful baby. This one is a little press, but 4-6 times, put it out, put it in, it will go better. Okay, very nice. My last to do is finish up the MoonShine sign right here, the last letter, and that I will do now.
Driven by fear and hunger, expand